Press it. Okay. My first shot of rum.
Chocolate rum.
Still rum. Not bad. Except it tastes like chocolate.
And coconut. Chocolate coconut rum. Good job.
I taste it. It's still rum. It's still my first shot.
I think I need my water.
I want a refund on that first shot of rum.
Why?
Guys, I don't like chocolate or coconut or mixed together.
Oh well.
It says your storage is full.
Yeah.
Who's calling you?
Don't look or you will melt your eyeballs off from the furry shoulder pads that are his shoulders.
That's my ringtone.
I know. Who's calling you?
Nobody. I'm just...
Anything else so that it can save?
You're on camera.
It needs to go in my car.
Boop.
Yeah, that's what it was saying.
Okay.
You've been booped. Do you have anything to say?
If your card is full, you need to move stuff to the cloud.
You sure?
Yeah, I do that. I have
Okay,
Dropbox.
bye-bye.
I don't